Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee. Today we have Breville Barista Express with us in the shop, and I came in for a issue with the grinder. That grinder wasn't actually grinding any coffee. When I went and inspected the burrs, or when I went and cleaned out the grinder, this is common. Like if the grind's clogged, then the coffee will kind of jam and it won't go through. After cleaning it thoroughly and putting it back together, it still didn't grind coffee. What I found is that the burrs are just unable to grind through the coffee. So as you see on the left side here, we do have the conical burr in the middle. We have the ring burr that goes around the conical burr. After replacing both of those with newer style burrs, everything seems to be working. So I'm just going to run the grinder just to kind of show you. We are on a finer setting. We're on number 6. So as you can see, coffee come out. You can kind of see. You could go finer. Just know if you go finer, of course the grinder is going to grind a little slower. But so the grinder is now grinding coffee and going through coffee normal. We also did a tune-up on this machine. This machine really did need a tune-up. You could kind of see with the gasket here. And so we did a full deep cleaning of the group head. There was a lot of built-up coffee around the edges. Replaced the showers, or replaced the gasket. Cleaned out the shower screen, cleaned everything behind the shower screen. Behind the shower screen, there was a lot of built-up coffee, so water was funneling only on the right side of the group head. So I did clean that out. We descaled all the operations of the machine, all 3 solenoids, which is your brewing, your hot water, your steam, and just mainly did a lot of touch-ups on the machine. We don't have a portafilter with this model. The customer just didn't bring it, but we are going to run water through everything to show you that everything is indeed working. As you can see, the brew button, pre-infusion for the first few seconds, and then it goes when the pump kicks on around 8 seconds, it ramps it up. Hot water would be pushing towards us. Nice steady stream of hot water. And then lastly, if you put this over to turn on the steam function, we're going to let that run for a few seconds until it heats up all the way. There you go. Now the pump kicks on, so it's up to temp. Now it's going to be making really nice and steady steam. As you can see. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.